Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to 21 USD per sale in affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, we always earn a commission based on the sales we made. This is also a great opportunity if you can be able to earn 21 USD per any sale you have successfully made. In this video, I will show you this platform where you can be able to join and start your affiliate marketing today, and also be able to earn up to 21 USD per sale, which is successfully made through your referral link. Without wasting time, let's get started. So what you need to do, you need to go into your browser. You can use your phone, you can use everything you need, and also if you can be able to access the internet, that is the only one key. And also what you do is to go into your browser and search for Go City. So once you type Go City, you're gonna be getting this platform. This is also a travel platform which is helping different people to be able to access different travel tickets, and also to be able to access different locations they want to travel to, either for location, either for vacation, and other purpose. For instance, if I go to this platform and click on gocity.com, you can also see different kind of information about this platform. You can see the year it was funded, which is 1099, so it's 1999. And also it's a leisure plus group. Now it is also headquarters located in London, United Kingdom, and also it's an exponent private equity owned. So what you need to do now is to come and open this platform, and you go direct to the platform. When you go there, you can be able to see their different information about the platform, about their services, and also you can see they have 28,616 reviews on Trustpilot. So you can see here just now the attractions to the attraction services they hold, which are also mainly key for people they can be able to visit, and there are different destinations they can choose from. For instance, let's try to be clicking on get started, because I want to of course get started. And also let's click on this Barcelona. I want to be maybe I'm interested to be visiting Barcelona. I want to explore more different about this. Let's go down, and you can see now different kind of pricings and plans which are suggested here. For instance, you can see you have now this one 45 euro per person. We have also for 65 euro per person. You have 45. We have 29 euro per person. And also you can be able to read now more about this if you need to be booking. You can be able to understand more details about these services. And also if you click on it, you can see this 219 per person if you get 3 days pass. And also let's try to be going through. We can be going through it below and also at the bottom. After that, you can be able to get more terms and conditions or policies about these services. For instance, free cancellation. You can see visit as many attractions as you like. You can see now it's valid for 40 days, 3 days calendar. So now what I have to do is to go back to the down and also look for affiliate marketing program, because this is the main one I'm interested in. As I also if you are of course joining this program to be able to make money with it, what you need to do is to come here and join affiliate. You can also click on affiliate program, and also once you click on affiliate program, here is what you're gonna be getting. And also now is competitive commission rates, 19 days cookie set too. So now what we are basing on also saying that you can be able to earn 21 USD. You can see that they mentioned that they might have on average order of this amount, which is Let me show it to you. They may be having an average order of over USD 350. Also, let's only take 350 and also see how much money you can be able to earn from it. So if they can be able to get this order, or if you can be able to get this qualified sale through your affiliate link, what you can be able to get through here is that, for instance, let's go to the affiliate. This is the affiliate, and also is the partner login, and also let's try to search for the commission rate you can be able to earn through here. You can see if you go and search for the affiliate commission rate, so for this platform, this is about 6% commission. So, and also if you can be able to get qualified sales, which is equal to 350 USD per sale, that is a big amount of money. And also if we multiply by 6%, we're gonna be getting 21 USD that you can be able to earn as a qualified sale. So this is also a great opportunity that you can use to make passive income or to earn money online without more disruptions if you are having audience, mainly because when it comes to affiliate marketing, it also always comes with having audience, having real niche, and also being able to use the digital marketing strategies to be sure that you can be able to make such amount of money as well. So if you need also to be able to start working with this platform, or be able to start your affiliate marketing program with this Go City, what you need to do is to come here. You can be able to click here and patronize with them. And also if you want to know more, you can be able to also to email this address, and also they will be able to give you different information. Once you want it, also you have to sign up here by confirming all this information they have asked you to fill out. And also once you're done, you will be able to hear the response from also these services. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or question, leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video, share this with your friends, and turn the notification button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Max TV.